In this video, we're going to show you to install the ABS speed sensor on your Hummer H3, located behind your rear wheels. With the vehicle raised and supported, I'm going to go ahead and rotate the wheel. I want to remove our center cap. So I'm going to use a screwdriver. You can use a trim tool, and you're going to go right behind here and just gently pry out, removing the center cap. Next, using a 19mm socket, I want to go ahead and loosen and remove your lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now on the back side of our axle here, we have a T30 Torx bit screw, and this is our sensor right here. So let's go ahead, loosen and remove that. Go ahead and remove that screw. We're going to clean that and save that. We're going to be reusing that. Now our sensor itself goes in here and it should be able to pivot. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some pliers up on the top here and we're going to gently try to wiggle this back and forth. Now sometimes these do break off. It's fairly common, so if it does, it's not the end of the world. We'll just have to tackle it if it does happen. And we're going to spray this again with some rust penetrant, and we're going to keep doing that and trying to wiggle it here to loosen that up and then pull it out. Now there is an O-ring on this too that seals it into the axle, so that's what we're really trying to loosen up a little bit. Well, our sensor has broke. It's right on the inside there, so we're going to go ahead and drill that out. Now we're able to drill a small pilot hole in the plastic here. Use a pocket screwdriver and pull this out. Right above our leaf spring, we have a junction block right here. This pretty much supports our harness, so we're just going to use a trim tool. I want to go ahead and pop that out. And if you follow it up to the inboard portion of our frame, we have another connector right here, little junction block. Now right here is our connector. So we're going to pull out on this little tab right here and separate the sensor from the harness, like so. Okay, take the new unit here, press that together. I want to go ahead and push our connector up inside. Now some of these vehicles will have a spot for this tab here, probably on the top side of the frame. Ours did not have that, so what we're going to simply do is just going to tuck this up inside. Our passenger side is the same way. I'm going to go ahead and take this, and this is keyed. There's actually a half moon here with a flat spot, so that pretty much lines up just like so. Get work that in. Line this up, push that in. Now there's an O-ring right here. I'm going to take a tiny bit of silicone and just put it on the O-ring. We're not going to get on the sensor itself. Now what I want to do is line this up. Get that, work that in, and just kind of give that a few twists, and it's going to pop right into place. Install the screw. I want to go ahead and snug that down. Now it does not have to be super tight. All right, that's now bottomed out. Just a tiny bit more. That's it. Now that we have our sensor installed, go ahead and install your wheel. You go into the vehicle and use your scanner to go ahead and clear the ABS code that you may have had for this year, and then go for a road test. Go ahead and grab that wheel, line it up, set that in place. We're going to start all of our lug nuts by hand, and once they're all started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. In our case, we are missing one lug nut. Obviously, you probably have all of yours. Install them all. And we're going to snug them down gently in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. You want to do this in a crisscross pattern. In our particular case, we're missing a lug nut here, but you would go ahead and torque that down. Take your center cap, take the leg here, and you want to line that up with the spot right here in the wheel. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.